Good morning everyone. Good morning students. I hope that you all are doing fine. So in this video we will study about the topic, the next chapter of your English grammar, that is chapter 19, prepositions. So as I have written over here already, we are going to start the topic chapter 19, that is prepositions. We will be seeing the definitions, its types and lots of examples to understand the topic in a better way. Okay, so preposition. It's not a very fresh topic for you all because previously you have studied. However, you might have some doubts or you might have some queries, as in you might not know that what are the uses, how we can be used. So we will start from a fresh point of view. Okay, fine. First of all, we will see some examples which I have written here on the board. Fine. So let's see the first example. The apples are in the plate. So children, we know that there are certain prepositions like in, on, at, off, under, over, etc. Right? So here the apples are in the plate. The preposition is in, right? The book is on the table, the preposition is on. The man is sleeping under the tree, the preposition is under. The girl is sitting at the table and the cat is sitting on the table. So here are a few prepositions which I have enumerated. Now what is the preposition? These words which are mentioned here like in, on, under, and again on, these are telling the relation of the noun to other noun or other words in the sentence. Just imagine a sentence where this preposition is not there. For example, let's take the first sentence where in is not there. So the apples are the plate. Can you find the relation between the apple, the plate, like what is going on? It's unclear, it's uncertain. Therefore, prepositions are a very important part of grammar. Prepositions are very important part of grammar, and without prepositions it's hard to understand or speak grammar. It's very important, right? So every time I keep on telling you that there are 8 parts of speech. We have already covered noun, pronoun, verb, adjective and adverb, right? This is the sixth part of speech which we are studying here right now in this video. Okay, so now since we have seen the example, the book is on the table. The book, we are talking about the book and where it is on the table. So on is telling about the relation between the book and the table. The man is sleeping under the tree. Where is the man sleeping? Under the tree, right? The man is sleeping the tree. For example, if I say this without adding the word under, is there coming any relation between the man and the tree or his action of sleeping? No, not at all. So therefore, prepositions are those words which tell relation between the noun or pronoun. The noun or pronoun can be the subjects. Between the noun or pronoun to other words in the sentence. Okay, let me write the definition for you all. So, I am going to write the definition of the preposition. Prepositions are words which provides relation between a noun or a pronoun, between a noun or a pronoun, with other words in a sentence. This is the definition of a preposition. So if somebody asks you what is a preposition, you will say that prepositions are linking words. Okay? They are linking, they are also called linking words. Why? Because they provide a link between the noun in the sentence and other words in the same sentence. So prepositions are also called linking words, and the definition is prepositions are words which provides relation between a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. Now I can say that the cat is on the table, and I can also say I am standing in front of the digital board. So in this case, in the second case, I is a pronoun, right? A subject can be either a noun or pronoun, isn't it? And when I'm talking about the cat, that the cat is on the table, in that case cat is the subject, right? And cat is a noun. So the relation is between the noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. These other words can be either a verb or an adjective. Okay? It can be a verb or an adjective in that sentence. Okay, so this is about the definition. It can also be a noun. तो prepositions वो words हैं जो हमें एक noun और pronoun का relation किससे बताते हैं? With other words in a sentence. जो ये हम other words की बात कर रहे हैं, ये other words उस sentence में हो सकते हैं एक verb या फिर एक adjective और एक दूसरा noun. जैसे let's go back to the example. The cat is sitting on the table. ठीक है? तो cat क्या है हमारा? Subject है और एक noun, right? Cat is sitting. Cat का action क्या है? Verb क्या है? Sitting. तो cat का action हमें पता चल गया. The cat is sitting. कहाँ पे? On the table. That's why once again, children. Okay. On the table, right? So this is the definition and few examples. Some other things which we have to see in this is, okay, fine. Now we will move on to the types. What are the types? Types of prepositions. So children, according to your syllabus and according to your book, the types which you have to study are only 3 types. First is preposition of. Preposition of time. Preposition of time. तो children, now we know that what is a preposition. हम ये जानेंगे कि preposition क्या है. Preposition वो words हैं जो हमें एक noun और pronoun का relation एक sentence में दूसरे word से करने में help करते हैं. अब कुछ होते हैं preposition of time. Preposition of time हमें क्या help करता है? ये हमें ये बताता है कि कोई चीज़ कब हुई, right? जैसे या कब होगी. Okay. For example, we have to take lots of examples to have a clear concept. Okay. We are traveling on Saturday. पहला एग्जाम्पल we are traveling on Saturday. Now the pronoun या जो सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट है वो क्या है? We का रिलेशन इससे हमें पता चल रहा है कि हम ट्रैवलिंग कब कर रहे हैं, वी आर ट्रैवलिंग ऑन सैटरडे। तो ये हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट, और सैटरडे क्या हुआ, ऑब्जेक्ट नाउन हुआ, ठीक है। और हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारा एक्शन क्या हो रहा है, ये है वर्ब। ये क्या था, दिस इज द वो नाउन या प्रोनाउन जिसका रिलेशन प्रेपोजिशन में बताता है, ठीक है। तो वी जो है यहाँ पे इट इज अ प्रोनाउन, प्रोनाउन भी है और एक सब्जेक्ट भी है सेंटेंस में। एंड ऑन यहाँ पे क्या है, ऑन इज द प्रेपोजिशन, ऑन इज द प्रेपोजिशन, because this on is telling us about the relation between we, which is a pronoun, and what we are doing, we are traveling on a side. तो ये जो है हमारा क्या है, on एक pronoun। और कब travel कर रहे हैं, preposition of time है, तो preposition of time will tell us when, कोई incident कब होगा, when an incident will happen, fine। Children, see in your book on page number 93. Preposition of time help indicate a specific period of time. यहाँ पे specific period of time क्या है, on Saturday, कब, Saturday को, such as month, date, time या day. Preposition of time हमें बताता है एक specific time, specific time, और ये specific time क्या है, month। किसी मंथ की जब हम बात करते हैं, जैसे जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, कोई भी मंथ, तो हम कहेंगे, सपोज एक मंथ का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, आई वॉज born in August। I was born in August। तो किसी मंथ के साथ हम preposition of time यूज करते हैं, और यहाँ preposition of time क्या है, n, क्योंकि ये n मुझे ये बता रहा है when, है ना, मुझे when का आंसर देगा। और यहाँ पे अब रिलेशन वाली बात हुई, रिलेशन कैसे बता रहे, तो यहाँ ये देखेंगे I क्या है, सब्जेक्ट है which is a pronoun। इस I का रिलेशन क्या है, अगस्त से, और अगस्त भी एक नाउन है। तो इन दोनों चीज़ों को जो लिंक कर रहा है, या जो रिलेट कर रहा है, या जो कनेक्ट कर रहा है, दैट इज अ प्रेपोजिशन। तो मंथ में हम प्रेपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम जो है स्पेसिफिक टाइम बताता है, हम इसको मंथ के साथ यूज करते हैं, किसी डेट के साथ यूज करते हैं। डेट क्या हो सकती है, इट वॉज cold day on the 12th of January। It was a cold day on the 12th of January, ठीक है, it was a cold day on the 12th of January। When it was a cold day 12th of January को था, ये हमें किस वर्ड ने बताया, ऑन ने। ऑन क्या है, प्रेपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम है, और इसमें जो नाउन है इट, द रिलेशन वी आर नोइंग, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट जो हम यूज करते हैं टाइम के साथ, टाइम के साथ यूज करते हैं प्रेपोजिशन, वो उसका सेंटेंस देखते हैं, मीट मी near the station at 2 p.m. Meet me at the station at 2 p.m. ठीक है। Now what we are seeing here, at is telling us preposition of time, that when you have to meet me, 2 p.m. तो preposition of time क्या क्या होते हैं, what are the prepositions of time, let's see, let me write it again, मैं उसको लिखती हूँ। preposition of time होते हैं वो words या वो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हमें क्या बताते हैं, एक स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बताते हैं। वो स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हम मंथ्स के साथ यूज़ करते हैं, डेज के साथ यूज़ करते हैं, टाइम के साथ या फिर डेट्स के साथ, ठीक है। और कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स क्या क्या हैं प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम, जैसे इन, ऑन, एट, सिंस, till, until, और क्या है, before and so on। ये क्या है, कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम है। ओके, so children, in this video we will stop over here. Watch the entire video. If any query arises, we will solve it later. Please keep the query in your mind. Even means either you can send me a text message also on WhatsApp to get the query clarified. And this much is enough for today. We will continue the other two types of preposition in the next video. Thank you. Keep on studying. Keep on taking care of your health.